Hey, hey. Welcome everybody to Miss Glow's Kitchen, where there's sugar, spice, and everything nice, where we slice, dice, and entice, using everything we can, from peppers to allspice. What's up, my people? Y'all know what time it is? See y'all in the kitchen. Alright, so in starting my Chicago series, I'm going to start with the Chicago hot dog. A classic and a staple here in Chicago. So what you need is poppy seed buns. They must be poppy seed buns. You cannot substitute with this. Not at all. Beef hot dogs. You use any kind of beef hot dogs you want, but they must be beef hot dogs. Yellow mustard, any brand, yellow mustard. Neon relish. So the Chicago style neon relish, not the regular green relish we use in potato salads and other different kind of salads and put on hot dogs on a regular day. No, must be neon relish. Chopped onions, tomatoes. They usually do tomatoes in the wedges, but I'm going to chop my tomatoes because that's what I like. Dill, pickle, spears, sport peppers, and the last thing you do not see pictured here is celery salt. But for it to be an authentic Chicago hot dog, it needs that celery salt on it for sure. I don't like celery salt, so I'm not putting it on there, but if you're going to make the hot dog and you really want to know what it really tastes like, then you have to sprinkle celery salt on top of it. You know what I say, ain't nothing to it but to do it, so let's get to it. Alright, so here's the exact order. So once you get the hot dog down in the bun, this is the exact order the Chicago dog dressings go in. So you're going to put the mustard first, then the relish, the onions, the tomato, or the tomato wedges, whichever one you decide to use, chopped or wedges, the dill pickle, spear, and then the sport peppers. And after that, if you're using celery salt, you sprinkle celery salt on the top. Alright, everything's ready. These poppy seeds are everywhere. So if you do this Chicago dog, I'm telling you now, these poppy seeds off these buns, these are going to be everywhere. So if you moved away from home, I'm telling you, you miss Chicago, I'm telling you, this is a good way. It's one of our staples. Make it yourself. Alright, so you put however much mustard you want to put on there. That's going to be up to you. Now, actually everything is going to be up to you. Because if you want extra relish, you want extra anything. I like a lot of relish on mine, so if you don't do it. Just make sure you put a little bit. You're good to go. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to put that right there. Put these on the top right here, these onions. How many onions you want too? It just depends. Now, if you're doing wedges, what happens with those? They usually get stuck down in the side right there. But I'm gonna put it. So you can put some things at the bottom of your hot dog if you want to, but that's not how I want to do it. So it just depends on how you want to do it. Oh, that's a big pickle wedge right there. Hold on a second. That's cool. This one cool. Rich here, baby. That one is cool. So, you want that pickle wedge down in there. And we're going to grab. Now, it's normally 2. So, I'm just telling you, it's normally like 2 sport peppers. Alright, they want to play with me today, so I should have got them out early. Sorry. Alright, now. Sport pepper. Now, once that sport pepper goes on there, you sprinkle that celery salt on there if that's what you're using. But that, my dear, is an authentic Chicago hot dog. Yes, darling. All right. And there you have it. The authentic Chicago hot dog. Try it. You'll love it. Thanks for watching Savory Spices. See y'all next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.